we go to a hearing in Ypsilanti, Michigan. 31-year-old Michael Carter's been charged with driving with a suspended license. He appears today before Judge Elaine Washington, who will determine next steps in Carter's case. But first, prosecuting attorney Kyle Burdell calls the judge's attention to Carter's surprising call-in location for today's hearing.
I do feel the need to point out he is in a vehicle. Mr. Bannis, you know if your client's in the back seat or if he's in the driver's seat?
Looks like the back seat to me, but
I suppose, Judge, I mean, if he could just turn his camera and show that he's in the back seat, that would be enough to satisfy me. I don't know if Mr. Bannis wants to instruct his client to do that yet.
Mr. Bannis, here, this is your opportunity.
Your Honor, if we could have a breakout room, then I think I could at least make some representations to the court about what I believe is going on.
When Carter and his lawyer return from the breakout room, the prosecutor notices something a bit different about Carter.
Judge, he's clearly in a different seat. The
prosecutor seems annoyed, but he'll still offer Carter a plea deal.
He can plead to no ops on person at this time.
No operator's license is a lesser charge, but it would still be added to Carter's driving record.
I got a question, ma'am.
Oh, hold on, sir. I'm going to advise you not to say anything.
Okay.
Of course, there's no evidence that he's driving, but prosecutor has the ability to make whatever offer he feels is appropriate. So, Mr. Carter, if you want to resolve the driving while license suspended misdemeanor, you could plead guilty to a slightly less serious misdemeanor called no operator's license on person, which has 0 points. And I would ask the judge to sentence you to a fine. Are you interested in that?
No, I'm not.
All right, I'm gonna adjourn all these matters to November the 1st. That is the last adjournment on this particular case. And at that point in time, your client will need to determine whether he wants to accept an offer or to set this for a trial.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I'll see you then.
In the end, Carter's decision to reject the plea deal worked out, as the case was later dismissed by the prosecutor. Thanks for being a fan of CourtCam. Subscribe to A&E to never miss a new video and catch full episodes on aetv.com.